Alright, and here we are experiencing the great blizzard of 2008. Hi Wood, how do you like all this snow? How do you like it? Oh! Hey Mom, it's cold. It's cold and I'm up to my belly in snow. Because we've just measured and it's about 15 inches of snow out here. That's a lot of snow, isn't it, dog? See what these kiddos are doing over here. My goodness, watch my feet.
Oh my God!
Whoa.
It's so deep out here.
How deep is it?
It's 15 and 8. Whoa! I better go back. 8:21.
No, just on the one side. Is it 15?
Yeah, one side is 15.
Wow. 15 inches of snow out by the fence, huh?
Whoa! I can't get out.
Hi, Weedy. Hi. Oh, look at that. Look how deep it's. You can do it.
Well, it's more than.
You going down the slide, Evan?
Evan, you gotta.
Down the slide is on.
Wait, go ahead, Evan. You can get up there.
Oh, great.
Kind of hard to run through. Come on, dude. You gonna go down the slide?
Or am I gonna do it?
No. Evan climbed up there, so.
Are you gonna go down, Evan? You daring yourself? Do you know what? You're scared. Whoa.
Woo! Can you? You're not going very far.
And because I
And then you get to the bottom of the slide and you're not even at the... Annie, you lost your scarf.
I'm gonna go down. Hey, my scarf!
I know, I just said you lost your scarf.
Can you hand it to me?
No. You can go down the slide and get it.
Whoa.
Wow, this is a lot of shoveling.
Is it hard to walk in this, Evan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
Good.
I'm ready.
It might not be worth much now that it's been in the snow.
Okay. Oh. Oh.
No, I'm going to talk you in the snow.
Yay!
We got to build a fort. You ready to build one?
Scarf in the snow.
Oh, look at Woody.
Get back.
Poor Woody. Mom, this is hard to walk in, isn't it, puppy?
Me too. Oh no! No.
Watch out, Evan.
He was trying to eat my scarf.
Oh, and there's
Daddy, he was
Daddy's just
trying
trying
to
to
eat
dig
my
out
scarf.
the deck, not to even mention what the front of the house looks like. Ooh, look at that. Look at the roof. Woo! Big drifts of snow up on
You
the
guys are
roof.
really in a bad spot.
Look at the roof.
Come on in. Oh, yeah.
Can I get a snowball?
Yeah.
That's gonna come crashing
I
down.
told you guys, you're in a really bad spot. Why do you have to be in
Move!
the whole yard?
You're not going inside, so.
No.
Alright, I'm turning this off for now.